Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Ziploc food storage meal prep containers. A 40-piece set with 20 containers and matching lids that are perfect for lunch and leftovers. These containers feature smart snap technology, making them leak-resistant and super easy to use every day. With a variety of sizes included, you'll have just the right container for meals and snacks of all types. They are made from BPA-free plastic, designed to be reusable and recyclable, helping you make mindful choices. The space-saving design allows for easy stacking in your fridge and compact nesting in your cabinets. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Whether prepping meals or storing leftovers, these containers are a smart addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.